Today we are going to solve a very complex problem of algebra, and our question says x cube is equals to 333 cube plus 444 cube plus 555 cube, and from this above equation you need to find the value of x. A complex problem, but if you know the concept, it's actually very easy. Let's see how we can solve this. Our first step would be x cube is equals to, you need to break this number in 111 into 3 to the power cube plus 444, we can write 111 into 4 to the power cube plus 111 into 5 to the power cube. I think this line is quite clear to each and every one of you. We are just breaking this number in 111 into 3, 444 into 111 into 4, and 555 111 into 5, and write the cube as it is. Now since we have taken this cube as a common power, so can we write x's cube is equals to 111 cube into 3 cube, as because this power belongs to both of the numbers, plus 111 cube into 4 cube plus 111 cube into 5 cube. As simple as that. We are just breaking the numbers into two parts and we are putting the power in all of the numbers. Now if you look at this equation, I think you can see that 111 to the power cube is getting common in all the three cases. So we can take 111 to the power cube as common, and what are we left with? We are left with 3 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3. This is what we are left with. Now x's cube is equals to 111 cube into 3 to the power cube means 9, sorry, beg your pardon, it's 27, plus 4 to the power cube is 64, plus 5 to the power cube is 125. Now our next step would be to add. Give 111 to the power cube as it is. So 27 plus 64 plus 125 is 216. It's 216. Now x to the power cube is equals to 111 cube into, now it will be our responsibility to break this number in power of cube. As because over here cube is given. So in case of 216 we can write 6 to the power cube. As because 6 into 6 is 36 and 36 into 6 is 216. Now since 111 also have a power of 3 and 6 also have a power of 3, we can write it as it is 111 into 6 and whole power 3. 111 into 6 and whole power 3. Now see, in case of left hand side the power is 3, in case of right hand side the power is 3, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So the value of x is 666, and this is our final answer. Done.